Hey guys, how you going? This is my new Cintiq 12WX by Wacom. Brand new basically, only a couple days old. Got it delivered here from the US. Good price, $1,000 US. So this is it. So basically this is all the kits and gadgets of this device. I've got the user manuals with the Cintiq discs, all the installations. Got the what looks to be the DVI cable which plugs into the transmitter box. We have got the power cable for the transmitter box right there. The pen stand, important bit of all. Got the USB that plugs into the computer which runs the device. Got the VGA transmitted into a DVI end cord that also plugs into the transmitter box. We've got the Wacom pen. You can see that there. It's got all the nibs in it as well, which can be held in the pen stand. We've got the voltage converter box, which converts and powers more voltage. And we have got the converter box itself right here. Converter box. And here we have the actual Cintiq 12WX display. Right there. So that's what you paid the money for, I suppose. Lovely piece of device. It's going to make work a lot easier. Put there. Well, that is the unboxing of my Wacom Cintiq 12WX. I will be doing a review in the future when I get used to using it all and everything. But I hope that has showed you the boxing of the 12WX.